So this is Jim, who's in camp with me, and he's going to explain what he's going to do here, or what's going on, Jim.
Okay, so we've got to take out this end cap piece here, and we've got to replace this spring. There's a big spring that goes in there.
Is that a common thing that fails in awnings?
It's a thing that failed on this awning.
Okay.
I'm not sure how common it is. And at the same time, we've got to wind the spring up. And so, what I'm going to do is take out this screw here, Daryl.
Yep.
And we're going to drop this arm down, and then hold this one here, and take out the top and bottom one here. Put the other one in, wind it up 18 turns, attach it back together again, and that should be it. Okay.
This is Daryl. Daryl's our manual labor force here.
Oh, no, it should just pull off. Okay, down. This pulls out because it's broken. This, there's nothing attaching to it. Now the only thing I have to do is that slot right there. You got to line the other one up with that slot.
So Jim, what's the symptom of a broken spring?
Something in there.
Something in there. It looks like the spring. Shake the tube a little bit. Shake the tube downwards. See if it'll come out. A little bit. It's attached on that end, so it's not going to go anywhere. I can get a stick. Or we can use this. We use this to fish it out. We got a piece of some bushings or something. They're stuck here. Try it again, Daryl. Should roll out. Is there something else?
Yeah, the whole thing's there.
We're not sure exactly if it's part of the old spring or what.
Oh,
there's the broken shaft.
that looks pretty nasty, doesn't it?
So there's the broken shaft. Now it looks a little bit different, but I think it'll be okay. So whatever it is, we don't need those extra pieces. So now, when we put this in, we just got to rotate it so that, oh, that's fine. It goes like that. Okay. That goes down there, right? Yeah, lines up like that. Okay, so now I can put those screws back in. Now, it's $100 if the guy does this for you. So you can save yourself $100 if you do this yourself. Now this is the dangerous part. I should actually have I don't want to mark it up. Let's just get a rig. This is kind of a dangerous
Dangerous for you, dangerous for Daryl, or dangerous for
Dangerous
me?
for
Ooh.
anybody doing it.
Spring tension.
It's because we're dealing with a lot of spring tension here. Okay, so now what we have to do is we wind it clockwise. We want to go 18 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is it getting harder as
Yeah.
you're going?
11, yeah. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, did I mess myself up?
Yep.
Okay. So I got no way of holding this and putting that on.
I'll make it get another pair. Just hang on.
Yeah, I got it. So Daryl's going to get another pair and hold on to it here or
Okay.
somewhere else
All right. Well, that makes sense.
so that we can release this pair.
And this is a maybe. What
This
if you
is
had
a-
it to do over? What would you
This
have
is
done different?
well, probably try and fit it in there before I started winding. This is a 19-foot Colorado Carefree manual operated awning is what it is. On a 1999 rig. And the awning fabric's in fairly good shape.
It does seem like it's in good shape. I don't see any rips, tears, or nothing. Looks like it's worn. Maybe a little tiny bit up there on the top.
There is, and I'm going to put some patching because that's exposed all the time.
They do. I know they make special tape just for awnings. So let's see where Daryl's going to put this.
So we can fit that, because that slot goes in on the outside. You're good?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so now, take this. Now I fit it in, put the screw back in, and this is a $100 job. That's it. Done. So now what you do is you go down here. And I've got to release this. This is the arm that stabilizes it. Then I have to close it up. Oh, wrong button. Wrong button. Okay, there we go. So now if I come back here and wow. Oh, it's because I'd have to hit that button again. I don't have my little stick with me.
There it goes.
And then Daryl, you just take these here, bring them out like this. And then take this little lever on the side toward you.
That's pretty impressive, Jim. Thank you.
Yeah. That's $100 labor charge right there.
And how much are you paying Daryl?
I already fed him. I fed him last night and I fed him today.
All right. Thank you, guys.